Okay, the Samsung Galaxy A series of 2021 has been released, and we have the Galaxy A52 and Galaxy A32 here for comparison. Which of these two smartphones has the best camera? Which of these two is the best performer for gaming? And which of these two is the overall best? You can check the timestamp in the description to skip to the camera comparison or skip to the speed test comparison. But I will advise you to watch from the beginning. Now, starting with the prices, the Galaxy A52 is more expensive. It will cost you 139,500 naira, while the Galaxy A32 on the other hand is priced at 113,500 naira. That is about 26,000 naira price difference. But is the Galaxy A52 worth it? Well, let's find out. When it comes to design and durability, these two smartphones are from a different world. They both have glass fronts that is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. But the back design is different. The Galaxy A52 has a plastic back cover, while the Galaxy A32 has a glass back. But in terms of durability, the Galaxy A52 is water resistant, which means when it is raining, you can use the Galaxy A52 as an umbrella. I got you. Now, that doesn't make any sense, but you get the gist. You can watch the Galaxy A52 water tests to see if truly it is water resistant or not. You can check somewhere here on the link, or I will link it below in the description so you can watch it. When it comes to the display, the Samsung Galaxy A32 is the smaller of these two phones. It has a glass 6.4 inches display and weighs 184 grams, while the Galaxy A52 has a larger display, 6.5 Full HD Plus screen resolution, and it's a little bit bigger than the Galaxy A32. It is slightly bigger. However, the most important thing to note is that these two smartphones have the same screen quality. They both have Super AMOLED panel with Full HD Plus screen resolution, and they both have 90 Hz refresh rates in the sleeve. The brightness on both phones can go as high as 800 nits, which is very impressive, and they both have an under-display fingerprint. At this junction, you need to pay close attention to every detail. You see, I ran gimbal tests on both smartphones, and the Galaxy A52 completely demolished the A32, both in single core and in multi-core score. It is not surprising because we are looking at Snapdragon 720G chipset versus MediaTek Helio G80 chipset. So far, I've been using both smartphones. The Galaxy A52 is better performer. Also, it manages heat better than the A32. Both smartphones are configured with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. You can also expand the storage via memory card, or better still, you can upgrade to 8GB of RAM plus 256GB of internal storage for the Galaxy A52. The most interesting part of this comparison is the camera segment. Both smartphones have 64-megapixel primary camera lens, but the Galaxy A52 has an optical image stabilization. When you are in motion, it helps. The optical image stabilization is a feature you only see in flagship smartphones. So being on a mid-range smartphone like the Galaxy A52, it's a big deal. It will enable you to take better pictures, just like you subscribing to the channel will be fantastic at the moment. Moreover, when it comes to the ultra-wide angle lens, the A52 has 12-megapixel camera, which helps improve the quality. That doesn't mean the 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens on A32 is bad. No, far from that. The emphasis here is that the Galaxy A52 camera nearly meets up to that of flagship smartphones. And taking proper night pictures is another area where the Galaxy A52 is really far ahead of the Galaxy A32. Both devices run Android 11 software out of the box. The A52 and the A32 are launching with One UI 3.1 skin software, and like every other Samsung phones of recent, they'll be getting security patch for 4 years and 3 major Google updates. So Android 14 will be coming on these two smartphones. When it comes to the battery life, the Galaxy A32 is the winner. It takes longer time to get fully charged though, which is expected, by the way, because of its 5000 mAh battery capacity. Overall, it has the better battery life than the Galaxy A52, and both devices have 50-watt adapter in the box. So passing by verdict, the Galaxy A52 has so much value to offer. Even though it is more expensive, it is worth every penny you paid to get it. It is currently my daily driver and I'm loving it. My full review of these two smartphones will be dropping any moment from now, so please hit subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell for more. Also, remember to follow me on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. I will link it below in the description. Just click the link and you follow me straight up. Thanks for watching. It's my idea and I will see you around very soon in my next one.